What's up guys, I'm Mesh from TechMesh and today I'm going to show you how you can install or set up Windows 10 in any computer or laptop using your USB pen drive. So the process is really simple and I will show you all the methods, so follow every steps. So first of all you have to just go to this website, this link. I will provide the link in the description below, so don't forget to check that out. So here you have to just come down and here you have to come to create Windows 10 installation media and then click on download tool now. Okay, so I have already downloaded the tool, so I will not download it again. Just double click on the tool you have downloaded right now. Okay, as you can see I am double clicking, so here they will say getting a few things ready, wait, and then here click on agree, and then again here you have to select the US, here you have to select create installation media. Okay, then here select next, and here you have to uncheck the box, and here they will say your Windows version. So if you want to know what is your Windows version, then just go to your this computer or my computer and then right click on your my computer and then click on properties. Okay, just wait a bit, and as you can see my Windows version is 64-bit, so I am choosing the 64-bit version. So it is 32-bit or 86, then you choose the 32-bit version. Okay, so then here select next, and then here just select USB flash drive. Okay, just select USB flash drive. So now just take the pen drive and insert it and format it. Make sure you format your pen drive. As you can see I am formatting my pen drive, so your pen drive should be totally formatted. Okay, so now just go to your installation here and then click next, and remember your pen drive need to be minimum 8 GB. Okay, so please make sure your pen drive is 8 GB. So here just as you can see your pen drive name will be here available. So my pen drive is drive I, so as you can see it is showing I. So here just click, now click on, you have to click on next. Okay, so now they will say getting a few things ready, and now just wait, and now they will start downloading your Windows 10. So the download process will take a while depending on your internet speed obviously, so just be patient, and after installing finish they will give you a prompt and then click finish and take the pen drive out. So now just take your pen drive and insert the pen drive into the computer you want to install Windows 10 on. So then just turn on your computer and keep pressing on your boot menu key. So your boot menu key for HP laptop it is F10, and for Dell, Acer, Asus or Toshiba it is F2. For Lenovo it can be F1 or F2. Just search your manufacturer boot menu key on your on the internet. Okay, so after finding the boot menu key, then you have to just turn on your computer and keep pressing the boot menu key. For my case it is F10, so I will keep pressing on F10. So then I will be redirect to here my boot window, okay, or my BIOS. So here I have to select system configuration. So here I have to select boot options. So you, in your case it could be boot option and you can't find system configuration, so don't worry, we need only the boot option. So just go to your boot option. Okay, then here just select enter, and then here you have to here make sure that the USB section is at the top. Okay, USB drive is at the top. So how can you do that? You can see here change values. So in my case it is F5 or F6. So if I press F5 or F6 and selecting my USB drive, then it will be at the top. Okay, so just here as you can see I have moved it to the top, so you have to make sure that it is on the top. So you have to just change the value of your USB drive by pressing whatever it is saying. Then here it is saying F10 and it will be save and exit, so I will press F10 and then press yes. So now my PC will start installing Windows 10. So here just select your preferred settings and then just click on next. Okay, just here you can change it. So here click on install, and now your Windows 10 your setup will start. So in this section they will ask for your product key. So if you have a genuine Windows and you have the product key, then please put the product key of your genuine Windows, and if you don't have a product key then click on I don't have a product key. And don't worry, you can activate it later. I will provide a video in the description and also in the I button about how you can activate your Windows 10, so don't forget to check that out. So now here just select Windows 10 Pro, or you can select other version as your wish, so don't worry about that. So now here just click on this tick mark and then click on next, and here is two sections. So the upper section is for if you want to upgrade from any Windows to a next Windows and you want to keep all the files same. And for the second option, it is that you will install a clean Windows, you will format your hard disk and everything, and you don't have existing any data. So I will completely clean my hard disks and start from scratch. So if you want to keep your files, then click the the top, and if you want to clean everything, then just click the second option. So here just select the partition or hard disk partition you want to install your Windows 10 on, and then obviously click next. And you can obviously here create new drive or format any drive you wish to. So this is a pretty basic option. So now here you have to just wait for a bit. Now this process is the most time consuming process. It could be around 20 minutes or 30 minutes or even more depending on your computer. So just be patient, okay? So now your PC will shut down. So now at the first you have to eject your pen drive or take out the pen drive. You don't need your pen drive anymore, okay? Just make sure you have take out the pen drive out of your computer or your laptop. So now just turn on your computer and don't press any button, okay? Just wait and do your PC its job and just wait for a bit. So now they will say just a moment, and then you have to here select your region. So just select your region and then here just click next. So now they will again say just a moment, so just be patient. So now here you have to select your keyboard layout. So then you can just skip this part, you don't need to worry about that part. So now just a bit and wait, and now they will say you to connect to a network. So if you have a Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, you can connect. So now here you have to select on personal or professional. So I am choosing personal. So here you have to sign in with your Microsoft account. So if you have a Microsoft account, then put your Microsoft account here. I don't have right now, so I will choose offline, okay? So you can choose the offline one and then you can put your name and everything. So now you will be redirect to your Windows 10 desktop. So as you can see, this is our Windows 10 desktop. So we have successfully installed Windows 10. If you don't see your my computer and any other icon, then just follow my video in the description below or in the I button about how you can get those back, your my computer, this PC icon or any other icon. If you saw any watermark here, activate Windows, or they want you to activate Windows or product key, and if you don't have the product key, then please follow my another video in the description below about how to activate your Windows 10. And if you see, or if your pen drive capacity is showing less, the pen drive you have just installed your Windows 10 on, then just follow my another video about how to get your pen drive capacity back or fix your pen drive. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then please hit the like button, and if you have any question or any suggestion, then let me know that in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. So I am Mesh from TechMesh and I am signing out.